You said what?
Get it more on me than the food. Alright. Haha. It's your boy here.
So today we're gonna be making oatmeal. Be good. Is the camera on my face? It looks a little low. Today in our oatmeal.
I already ate.
Today I'm gonna be making blueberry and banana oatmeal, and I'm gonna show you the ingredients. Up in this kitchen while that crunch. All I heard was. Yeah, I'm gonna show you guys the ingredients. Big shout out to my little bro for helping me film this video. Partner, my tech guy,
That's
my
me.
little young entrepreneur. So that's a good thing.
That means it's like a business startup.
No, entrepreneur just means that you like. Whatever. Anyways, he don't know what it means. So
throw these chips at your head.
I'm finna eat them. Alright. I'm gonna show you guys the ingredients, and then we're gonna hit the stove and I'm gonna show you how to make it and everything. Literally surviving off of this recipe in college, because honestly, as a broke college student, oatmeal was really all that was lasting in my kitchen. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all. So
Started out with half and I flipped it into double. Started out with half and I flipped it into double. Said time again we gotta go. Take one then I dash away from Popo. Yeah, snakes around my grass, they want my dodo. But I keep a 40, they don't know, no. Got the Henny, you get cold.
I do want to go ahead and state that I ended up adding French vanilla creamer. You definitely don't have to do this. If you wanted to, you can easily substitute it for like vanilla extract or whatever you have in the kitchen. Also, you can chop this or mash the bananas if you don't like chunky oatmeal.
Get it more on me than the food. Alright. Haha. It's your boy here. We're gonna fix this up.
As you guys saw, I went ahead and plated. Hold on, this looks a little too bright.
Whoa.
Oh, there it goes. We went ahead and plated the oatmeal. My brother wants to go ahead and do the topping. We have more, but I don't think we'll need it. Go ahead.
Yikes.
Have more power than you might be giving yourself credit for. If you have something that's going on in your life right now that's challenging, painful, it's just a reminder to take a little bit better care of yourself.
Take our non-blueberry hand, put some of these bananas up in this piece.
Make it look cute.
I think I'm doing.
I honestly think you're just throwing that there.
I'm making it look like me, so it has to.
That's gonna look
obviously
cute.
cute.
A little bit better care of yourself. You're worth it. You can have this feeling.
protein,
nutrition.
iron, and something else.
I got it. It got 2 grams of protein, omega-3, and 1.1 milligrams of iron. Yeah, shouts out to your taller little bro. That's fat.
Thank you for being my cameraman.
Yeah.
Started out with half and I flipped it into double. Started out with half and I flipped it into double.
If you enjoyed this video, leave a comment, don't be shy, like this video, and subscribe for more. See you later.